stepped out to take some pictures and a video because I was like, I have makeup on, so why not make the most of it? You know, one thing I've realized is familiarity is the most dangerous thing, because when you start talking to people, people don't understand. They just go on asking questions. The whole read the room thing, no one's reading anything. I don't know, people just keep asking you questions and I'm like, this is none of your business. Why are you asking me so many questions? Curiosity is one thing, but playing KBC with me and I'm not winning anything is another. I have a lot of friends who keep telling me that I'm too nice, and people take that for granted. I'm not going to change the way I am, but I'm starting to see what they mean. Being nice is not bad, but I think that it's also important to keep to yourself sometimes, which is something I've started doing. Especially when I'm alone, I'm not going to start having a conversation with a stranger because it can be dangerous. Sometimes you have to be careful, and people do mistake it for other things. They think you're being friendly when you're just being nice, cordial. This was a how to not talk to strangers tutorial. You're welcome. I'll show the pictures and videos I took. Insert. I think I did well. Tomorrow is Sunday. I have a day off from working out. I'll see though. I may just I told you about this area under the gym in my building. That's where I practice yoga or stretch sometimes. Maybe I'll do that, but I don't know. I was thinking of going out tonight, but I don't see that happening because it's already 6 o'clock. I'm gonna eat some biryani and go to sleep. Do we like the new foundation? I switched to Elf Cosmetics. It just arrived because in store they didn't have 2 bottles, and I was like, it's buy one get one. I'm getting both bottles. I'm not going to get another product. I take being Sindhi so seriously, and I put in so much energy into not getting cheated. It's crazy. Not cheated, but making the most of everything. Whew. That's cool. I'm in the elevator now. I've let this foundation sit for 5-6 hours. I think it is good. It's really glowy, which is great. And you can powder it if you want to. Errand time again. I feel like that's all I do. Run errands. Because otherwise I'm just sleeping. I took such a long, amazing nap and woke up. I feel like I slept through the whole day. Just had to yawn and burp at the same time. I think I've just reached a different level of, I don't know what this is also at this point. I have to fix my phone. So I use a OnePlus, and it's very I'm very brave, I must say, because it's got a glass panel. I'm relatively clumsy, so I didn't know it broke because no one checks their removes their case, right? And then I saw it and I was like, oh god, this is broken, and broken glass is bad luck. It's an Indian belief that you should not have broken glass, broken mirror. So I'm getting it fixed, and I didn't end up going out last night, and I'm glad I didn't, because I slept like a baby. You know, you wake up in the morning and you're like, thank god I got 12-13 hours of sleep. Maybe people are not sleeping that much. I also did. I slept at 9 o'clock. I woke up at 9:30. I slept. I woke up at 6:30. Yeah, and then I took a nap. Right now it's 2:30. I took a nap for 2 hours in the afternoon. That's life though. If you need a nap, take it. Now I'm just going to get my phone fixed and then I'm thinking of baking brownies. But today I'm thinking of using dates instead of jaggery powder. Let's see how it turns out. And I'm also thinking of maybe doing cupcake, muffin, brownie in like cupcake form, so that it's bite size. But actually that wouldn't work. So I think I'll just do a normal brownie tray thing. Let's see. We're at the grocery store at Reliance. Have a sip of water, and I don't stand and drink water, so I'm sitting next to the ghee boxes and I hope nobody comes and yells at me. Water. Now the real question is, do I need snacks? I really think I don't. I went through I got a horrible breakout. I don't know why this is happening to me now since I've started eating healthier. Figuring out what I need and obstructing people's grocery hauls, shopping. Let me figure out what I need. Pushing these trolleys was more fun when you're a child. Now it's exhausting. I'm next to the fridge because I'm cold.